If you're looking to activate a savings goal in Ally Bank, their savings buckets feature is a great way to organize and track your financial objectives. Or here's how to get started. First, log into your Ally account through the mobile app or website. Once you're in, navigate to your savings account, you'll find an option labeled buckets. This is where you can set up and manage your savings goals. Click on create a bucket. You'll be prompted to name your bucket, such as a vacation fund or emergency savings. After naming it, set your target amount and desired completion date. This helps you visualize your progress and stay motivated. Next, decide how you will fund this bucket. You can make one time transfers or set up recurring contributions. To set up recurring transfers, go to the Optimize with Booster section and select Start Saving under the Recurring Transfers Booster tile. From there, you can choose the amount, frequency, and which bucket to allocate the funds to. Remember, you can create up to 30 buckets within your savings account, each dedicated to a different goal. This allows you to manage multiple savings objectives simultaneously without the need for a separate account. By setting up and actively managing your savings goals in LD Bank, you can stay organized and work towards achieving your financial aspirations. If you have any questions, just drop them down in the comment section below. I'll get back with a video if you have any kinds of doubts or anything related to this video or any other video as well. Until then, I hope you like and subscribe and find this content helpful and useful.